In a magical forest filled with sparkling trees and friendly creatures, a group of animal friends discovers a mysterious portal. The animals, including a wise owl, a playful squirrel, and an adventurous bunny, approach the portal with curiosity. As the animals gather around, the portal unexpectedly opens, revealing a portal to another enchanted realm. The animal friends decide to embark on a magical journey through the portal, filled with challenges and discoveries. In the new realm, the friends face various challenges, such as crossing a rainbow bridge and solving puzzles to unlock the next part of their journey. The friends overcome challenges by working together, emphasizing the importance of teamwork and friendship.